What's going on, y'all? What's going on? Test, test, test. What's going on, y'all? It was pretty much dead. Not too surprising though. It looks like GJ still ended up flying yesterday as well. Still right now. I don't know how the audio and stuff sounds on y'all's end. I should have restarted my computer before we started this live. But we're gonna thug it out. We got a few. I like an EN right here as well. It's going a little bit higher than I would want it to right now. But we're still going to be looking for some buy setups from here. It's the same setup idea we was talking about yesterday. As you can see, EN did that push last night during Tokyo session. But in London and New York, as you can see, it did the retracement down to this level here. So if it can continue to hold 76.65 as support, we can look for buys going to 77.15 and possibly back up and hit 77.65. That's what we're going to be looking for today. Now, we do got some news popping off today. Going to be going live with the members during ADP. We got USD news again. Then at 10 a.m., we got another USD news event. And then at 2 o'clock, we got FOMC as well. But again, it's not too much of a shock or surprise. It's at the beginning of every month. So we got a bunch of news popping up. So we're going to be very, very, very interested to see what happens today. We got news playing out throughout the rest of the week as well. Tomorrow, we got a USD bank holiday. Then 2:30, we got Swiss franc news. Then we got GP news popping off all that day. And then Friday, 8:30, we got USD news. An infamous non-farm employment change to end the week. I'm looking for EN buys right now. GJ is still pumping up and flying. I'm going to be looking for some positions on GJ as well. The next 5 minutes looks like. If you guys got any questions, drop them in the chat. When looking at your charts, drop them in the chat. Just dropped a new video for y'all yesterday as well. If you haven't checked it out yet, make sure to check that out. Got another video lined up for y'all as well. That's going to be dropping today or tomorrow. Be on the lookout for that. Those just joining the stream who have not entered anything yet, make sure you hit that first link in the description. Join a free signal or free Telegram. You see on your screen how we did last month and last quarter. Go ahead and hit that first link and check it out for yourselves. Right now, we're looking at possible EN buys. We're keeping an eye on GU, see how it reacts to this level right here. And we're watching GJ as well. Everything else is kind of just, oh, gold broke this level also. So we're going to be watching gold also. We've got a couple setups we're going to be looking at. We're going to see how gold holds this level right here. Got a new 15 about to pop up in a minute and some change. Got to see if gold can hold this level as support right here. I like this setup right here. Yeah, I like this setup right here. NAS ended up projected yesterday as those was in the stream yesterday. Yeah, so today's going to be interesting. Today's going to be interesting. If you guys got any questions, drop them in the chat. We're looking at your charts, drop them in the chat. watching Ian and gold right now. Kind of like how gold's looking. I'm gonna have some work to do. The highest has been above this level though in a while. New 5 minutes about to pop up in a second. I want to see if GA can hold this level today as well. What's going on, dude? You can see up in here. Back fully now, lost my little vibes. Hey, good to see you back. Good to see you back. It's been a little minute. Hope you've been good. Those joining the stream, we're looking at possible gold buys right now. If gold can hold 23.40 as support, we can look for buys going to 23.56 and then possibly 23.72. That's what we're looking for today right now. And then we're also looking for GA sells if it can hold 89.60 as resistance. Again, we got a bunch of news popping off today. We got an 8:15 USD news, 8:30 USD news, and 10 a.m. USD news, and also 2 p.m. F1C popping out. Now, that doesn't mean that all those events are going to cause some craziness or some action on the charts, but it's still something to, keep in mind. This is very choppy right here. We want this. We keep a close eye on gold. G's doing a similar move. And it's kind of just chilling on this level. Make sure to follow me on Instagram and TikTok too, y'all. Y'all see it scrolling at the bottom of y'all screen. Instagram playmaker_weight, TikTok _playmakerweight_. Post immediately on both pages. Got some posts lined up for y'all today as well. But yeah, we got a new 5-minute about to pop up. Just watching gold closely. I am liking what I see. Watching gold close. See who's going to retrace a little bit more. Looks like we're both trying to make a move. We ended last month on a crazy note. If y'all didn't check that out, you make sure to hit the first link in the description. I did not connect that. Let me fix that really quick. Why did I not connect? That must have been trying to hurry up. Edit. Scroll all the way up to. Good 1 second. There we go. Awesome. Might not be able to add it down. Try one more time. But now we're just gonna do it the old-fashioned way. Apply change it. Why is it not letting me do it, bro? It's not working. So, oh well, we're gonna keep it pushing. Before we do that, let me go back to EM. But right, we got a new 15 about to pop up. So I was trying to connect them like I usually do, but since I messed up in the initial post, I guess I can't do it. But if you scroll up to July 1st, you'll see how we ended June. June, we ended at 13-3, giving us an 81% win rate. And this is how we ended last quarter. April, we went 16-4, giving us catching 69,996 pips. May went 15-4, catching 47,957 pips. And then last month, June went 13-3, catching 1,006 pips. And in the quarter, 44-11. It was an 80% win rate. So if you click right here, July 1st is going to take you to the beginning of June, and you can scroll down from the beginning of June, see how we've done on a daily, weekly basis, all that good stuff. And then if you click on June 3rd or scroll to June 3rd, it'll show you how we ended the month prior to that, 16-4. Again, right here, it'll take you to the beginning of that month. And we can scroll down and see how we did May. And if you click right here, May 1st, it'll take you to the beginning of April. And I'll also show you how we did quarter one. So check all that stuff out. Make sure to check out the Sunday chart analysis as well, y'all. At the beginning of every week. Again, that doesn't just go over what I see price doing Sunday night until Monday, but it goes over what I see price doing throughout the entire week. A couple of charts are already going as projected so far. We're about to see some action pop off. I want to try to take a trade before New York session, before all the news pops off. But if I don't see any setups, like always, I'm not going to rush anything or force anything. So I will hold on the trigger until I see something I like. But we got gold doing a retest. We're about to see how that reacts right there. I'm watching Ian as well. It looks like Ian's going to try to take off. I'm liking how Ian's looking. I'm liking how Ian's looking. Just low volume right now. If you guys got any questions, drop them in the chat. When looking at any charts, drop them in the chat. Those just joined the stream, we have not entered this trade yet. This is just a trade idea. Go ahead and hit that first link in the description. Join a free signal, free Telegram. You see on your screen how we did last month and last quarter. Go ahead and hit that first link and check it out for yourselves. So right now we're watching to see if gold can continue to, well, first we're looking for the retest, and we're waiting to see if price can hold this low as support here at 2340. If we can hold 2340 as support, we can look for buys going into 26 and possibly 2372. Now it's going to take a little bit of work because as you can see prior to that, all this month we've been struggling to break this level. And as you can see, there was only 2 days it was above this level, but quickly the price got sucked back into this range. And we got a little bit of traffic to the left as well. We do have some slightly bullish momentum, so that's why we're looking for buys right now. But of course, confirmation of setups. GU is looking nice as well. GU is kind of doing a similar move to gold. But as you can see, struggle to continue to make lower lows. Resistance lows started being turned back into support. So we can't see a reversal. Now, I wouldn't say we're really back into bullish momentum unless price can break it to 27 and then continue to go into 2765. Now, if it comes back above here, then of course we're back in the uptrend and we can see the higher highs possibly get taken out. Those retest right there. GJ's just going crazy. Missed an entry on GJ though, so nothing we can do about that. Trading USDJPY. That's what's up. What you gonna buy? Were you gonna buy or sell? Here comes the retest right now. We're about to see if it can hold or not. New 5 minute about to pop up in a minute and some change. You're gonna buy? Okay. If you want, we can take a look at it. If you want to throw your interest on TP and we take a look at it, I can give you my thoughts. But yeah, I assumed you was in the buy. I mean, I was hoping you was in the buy because the JPY pairs, most of them, if not all of them, are bullish right now. That's what's up. Just one other this week. Didn't take any trades yesterday. I got wicked out the Ian position. Missed the NAS entry. Broke this down in the London session live as well as the New York price watches, but I missed the entry. We had the news at 9:30 push off, and I missed the retest. And then yeah, price went as projected though. So whenever I miss an entry, I don't even get upset. I'm just like, at least I know, I'm looking at price correctly. At least I know my analysis was right, and that just gives me more confidence to go into the next setup, the next trade. Of course, I'm not going to skip any steps. I'm still going to follow my rules and all that stuff. But right now, we're watching gold to see how it reacts to this level, if it can hold as support. Because it's the highest it's been in a little bit. As you can see, previous times price has gone this high. It's rejected damn near instantly every time. So it's the highest it's been in a little while. So I'm going to see if it can hold this level. If it can hold the level, why is this right here? That's weird. If it can hold the level, we can look for another buy setup. like we caught a couple weeks ago. You're new to the trading. How new we talking? Because you're in a trade right now. I mean, you're going the right direction. So how new? Are we talking a week, month, 3 months? What are we talking? And those that are new as well, or you're still trying to figure things out while we're waiting for these retests and confirmations, y'all know how YouTube works. Go ahead and click the profile, click that blue and black logo, and check out the playlist. I got a bunch of videos in the day trading playlist as well as the day trading tips playlist. Day trading playlist is over 60 videos of back to back trade breakdowns, different buy setups, different sell setups. I break them down from start to finish. Going over why I went for the buy setup, why I went for the sell setup, and I break it down all the way down to T. I also got the day trading tips playlist where I go over how to read the charts, trading plan, trading tip videos, all that good stuff. So make sure to check that out. I also got a playlist on how to trade news. So make sure to check all that stuff out. And like always, guys, got any questions? I can drop them in the chat. Live streams are for y'all. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, we got a 15 about to pop up in about 2 minutes and a half. Next. Two weeks paper trail. That's what's up. That's what's up. Okay. You're on a demo. That's what's up. Okay. That's good. That makes it feel a little bit better. That's what's up. Don't just paper trade though. You gotta make sure to take time every day to study the charts and learn how they work. Because like I tell the members and students all the time, price isn't just randomly doing stuff. There's literal rule, script, and algorithm price follows every single day. So the more you're on the charts, the more you're going to be familiar and recognize, these patterns and behaviors. We see goals respecting this level, so we're going to see how the next 15 look. Then we go from there. When we look at GU, we can take a look at GU. So GU, we can possibly see a reversal. We're in reversal territory, this box right here. We was bearish, but as you can see for the past couple of weeks, we've seen no more lower lows get made, and we've seen prices struggle to even respect these results. And now this resistance over here is being treated as support. So if price can hold 26.90 as support, you can see short-term buys going to 27.30. But price is going to need to hold 27.30 as support and come back up to 27.65, 27.70 for us to be back in bullish momentum, be back in the uptrend. So that's what we're going to be looking for today to see the price going. It's again kind of similar to gold. Every time price hits this level, rejects, but then also struggles to hold this level as resistance, as we can see here. So we're kind of just been playing, pinball. But with all the news popping off today and then the rest of this week, I want to see price break through these levels that we've been seeing price struggle to break for the past couple of weeks, if not months, right? Same thing with GA. It was nice and bearish, and you see for about the past 3 weeks to a month, it's been stuck. The trend stopped. We see this with a lot of charts right now. Besides GJ has just been flying. Well, GJ was doing that, but for the past 3 weeks, it's been flying. When me and the members caught majority of it. But besides GJ, like everything's kind of been stuck in place or reverse. Our new 15 just popped up. You guys got any questions, drop them in the chat. When we're looking at any charts, drop them in the chat. Make sure to like the live, y'all. And if you're not subscribed already, make sure to subscribe. We're almost at 2,500 subscribers. We can get to that easily, y'all. We can get to that easily, y'all. You said USDJPY next. I got you. We can take a look at it. I don't trade this, so my levels might be off. So let's see how far it was the last time I looked at this. Let's take a look here. Yeah, it's going a little bit higher. All right, so yeah, it's a nice little uptrend. So let me update these levels really quick. Since you are in a trade, even though it's a paper trade, I'm still going to try to do some accurate specific levels. So while I'm updating these levels, take a look at gold. Watch how it's reacting to these levels. See if we can hold the level of support. But I got you. We're going to look at UJ in a second. And if y'all want me to look at any other charts, drop them in the chat. If you want here for this. That's big. That's fine. This is an all-time high for you, Jay. So I'm not seeing any other magnitude. Give me 1 second. But while we're, you hear me talking behind the scenes, again, you see how gold's doing this thing, so pay attention to that. But let me do something. Yeah, it's at all-time high, so this is going to make it interesting. Okay, I knew I wasn't tripping because I was scrolling. I was like, I don't see any history to the left. So it's at all-time highs. All right, UJ's a little bit different from the other charts, and the main reason why is because kind of similar to when gold, NAS, SPX, like a couple months ago, was in the same situation, same boat. We have all-time highs getting made, right? So, with that being said, we can't really, since there's an all-time high, project how high it's going to go until we see price do that already. Where's that right now? We do have a resistance level where it's currently at 161.90, so it's going to have to hold 162 as support in order to continue to push up. Now, I'm not sure where your entry was at, so I can't say too much about your trade, but I can just give you a projection. It's going to need a whole 192, 162 as support for it to continue to push up. If it rejects this level, it's going to retrace back down, possibly to 160, 150. Now, if we can continue to hold that level of support, we can see price try to this level again. Now, it did do a nice little retracement here, so yeah, we are still nice and bullish. So yeah, it's going to be interesting, but again, trade, make sure just to have your S on profit. You know, it's on a demo account. Make sure to start your S on profit or secure your profits before the news pops off, because you still want to build in habits that you're going to be having. You're trading on a real account, right? Because again, a lot of mistakes I see people make, as well as I used to make on a demo account, is I'm just goofing off when I'm not treating it like a real account. That's why a lot of people be against demo accounts, because they're always like, oh, you don't feel the same amount of pressure, or it's not the same as a live account. And the only reason why that's the case for you know, the only reason why that's the case is because you're not treating it as such. When I was on a demo account, after, you know, I figured out how to read the charts, I literally practiced on a demo account for like 2 months and some change straight, right? And after I was consistently profitable for that 2 months and some change, the whole time I was treating it like a real account. So I already knew how much I planned to put into my personal account. Also knew what accounts, funded accounts wise, I was planning to purchase and take the challenge and test for. So when I was taking those trades on the demo account, I was using lot sizes that I'd be using on my actual account, as well as on, you know, the prop firm accounts. That way, when I eventually did, you know, take the prop firm challenges and pass those and trade on my personal accounts, I already had a good idea of, you know, what drawdown looks like with that account size, what my profit should be looking like. But I also had, again, like good habits built because I was treating it like real money. So I was securing profits, I was closing, all that stuff. And while I'm talking again, you see gold doing what we was talking about, right? So I don't know if you're here. Who was it yesterday? Orion. I don't know if he was in here, but you were asking a few times, like, you know, how many times you got to wait for retest or retracement. And it's as simple as that, right? So if I was going to take this trade, after I saw price hold this level of support, this is that confirmation that I have a higher likelihood if I do enter a trade for it to go in my favor. Again, there's nothing that's 100%, which is why we have risk to reward and why we don't risk 90% of our account in one trade. But when you wait for that confirmation or wait for price to show you this holding level support, holding level as resistance, it gives you an extra likelihood of it going in your favor, versus if you just enter a trade because price touches a level or quote unquote breaks out. You know, imagine if I didn't wait for this retest, I would have went for a buy here or here. It took an unnecessary loss. And now that I waited for price to not only break this level, retest and hold it at support, while I take a position here, I have a higher chance and likelihood of it going my way and going my favor. You get what I'm saying? We just hit TP1 with the members. So let me let the people in the advanced play signal room know. That said, it looks like yours on your. Then that means you're doing the right thing. That's what's up. That means you're doing the right thing. It was looking like mine or similar to mine. That means you're on the right track and you're doing the right thing. That's what's up. But yeah, Joseph, what I'll tell you, man, you're 2 weeks in. After you're profitable for consistently profitable, meaning consistently ending week after week after week in profit, up in the blue, in the green, for at least a month to a quarter, that'll be your green light to switch to a real account. You know what I'm saying? Because again, trading is a long-term game. Yes, the short-term wins are important. Yes, the long-term wins are even more important. Though. And again, you got to take things day by day. Right? That's why I don't just do recaps of the day. I do recaps of the week, recaps of the month, recaps of the quarter. Because you can win a trade here or there, but if you're just winning, you know, every other trade or every 3 trades, every 4 trades, that's not really very consistent. You know what I'm saying? Especially if you don't got the risk reward down, the proper lot size down, things can kind of get fishy and messy if you don't have all your I's dotted and all your T's crossed. You feel me? Yeah, Ian's pushing now. So we're nice and profit on this thing right here. Make sure to like the live if you're not subscribed yet, y'all. The gold's going as projected as well, those that was watching gold. So if y'all took Ian or gold, y'all should be nice and blue and green right. When I be doing those recaps, and when I be like, if you ain't tuning into the lives, you yes, Monday was a perfect example. Yesterday was a perfect example. Today's a perfect example. Again, these live streams will help y'all out, answer questions, but also show y'all realistic side of trading, what it looks like to wait for setups, looks like for the confirmations to be met, all that stuff. And also, so y'all can see what I'm looking at and looking for behind the scenes as well. Just dropped a new trade breakdown yesterday. If y'all have not checked that out yet, make sure to check that out. Got another video lined up for y'all today as well. Be on the lookout for that. And also on Sunday, it was either Sunday or Monday, I dropped the Bitcoin update video for this week also. So make sure to check all that stuff out, y'all. Simple, y'all. So that's simple. Again, very simple. It's not hard at all. The hard part is understanding how to read the charts. But once you get over that hurdle, then it's just repetition and then building that confidence. All right, y'all. Shout out to everybody in the live. Shout out to everybody that's been alive since the beginning. Shout out to everybody that's been alive since y'all joined. Make sure to hit that first link in the description. Join the free Signal, free Telegram, y'all. Y'all see on your screen how we did last month and last quarter. I messed up on the connecting the dots thing like I usually do. But if you open it up, you're going to see how we did last quarter. Last month, we went 13-3, giving us, what was it, an 81% win rate. May, we went 15-4, catching 47,907 pips. And in April, we went 16-4, catching 69,396 pips. If you click right here, go to July 1st, it's going to take you to the beginning of June. So you can see how we did June on a day-by-day week basis. And if you go to June 3rd, it'll take you to the beginning of May. So you can see how we did during May. Beginning 16-4, where you win rate, click right here. It's going to take you to the beginning of May. So you can see how we're doing. Calculate all that stuff, fact check and see what made numbers up or whatnot. And then you can see right here how we did April 15-4. You click right here, it's going to take you to the beginning of April. It's also going to show you how we ended quarter 1, 53-4, 93% win rate. All wins and losses are posted. Also, if you go to photos, there's over 1,000 photos of just receipts on receipts on receipts, from screenshots of, risk rewards, student results, testimonials, all that good stuff. Screenshots of actual in positions, screenshots of the signals, all that good. It's literally it's over so many photos. You can literally go to last year if you want. Maybe you can go all the way to we started to play with in 2022 and just see we've been doing this consistently for 2 years now. As far as the playbook is concerned, to check all that stuff out, make sure to follow me on Instagram and TikTok too, y'all. You see scroll at the bottom of your screen. Instagram Playmaker_Way, TikTok _Playmaker_Way_. Post daily on both pages. Y'all can also contact me directly on there. I respond to all messages. Again, I just dropped the video yesterday for y'all. I got another video lined up for y'all today. And we got a bunch of news popping off today as well. Going to be going live with the members during ADP. So members, be on the lookout for that link when I send it to y'all. And yeah, we're going to be back at the same time tomorrow, London session 3 a.m. EST.